Let's talk about the piccolo. The piccolo is a member of the woodwind section in the modern orchestra and is typically treated like an extension of the flute. Typically performed by the second or third chair flute player, the piccolo has a total range of D5 to C8, or the D in the middle of the treble clef to the C 2 octaves above high C. To make this range more legible, the notation is transposed an octave lower than what you'll hear when writing sheet music. The piccolo's range, like the flute's, is traditionally broken into three distinct registers. The low register spans from D5 to G5 and has a particularly haunting and rich sound. Unfortunately, it's largely unusable since it has a limited dynamic range of pianissimo to piano, or super soft to just soft. This is a non-preferred register for the instrument, which doesn't mean you can't use it, just you shouldn't expect a particularly emotional or expressive performance in this range. The middle register spans from around G sharp 5 to C7, the C an octave higher than high C. It has a general dynamic range of mezzo piano to forte, or somewhat soft to loud. This register is much more agile and has a bright and piercing personality. This is the preferred register for the instrument and is where it will spend most of its time. The upper register spans the remainder of the instrument's range and has a general dynamic range of forte to fortissimo, or loud to really loud. Much like the flute's upper register, this one is considered shrill and fatiguing to just everyone involved, both performers and audience. This is another non-preferred register for the instrument that is best reserved for short bursts where shrill tension is the desired effect. Now, naturally, none of these registers have a hard starting or stopping point. They all tend to just kind of blend into each other on a spectrum. And the deeper you move into any of the three, the more pronounced its personality will become. Now, the piccolo can be used for many of the same roles as the flute. But in general, its most common use will be to double other instruments an octave higher by playing in its preferred middle register. This helps lend extra prominence and power to whatever line it is doubling. Another common role is to just replace the flute. Since there is considerable overlap between the flute's non-preferred upper register and the piccolo's preferred middle register, anytime you would like to write a lengthy part for the flute within this octave, you can just use the piccolo instead to get a much more expressive and emotional performance. All in all, this is another beautiful instrument with tons of potential. So try using it in your next arrangement. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep studying, keep working hard, and keep writing new music.